Hey kids, going to do a PowerPoint on fractions, decimals, and percentages. Marley ate 3 slices of the pizza. You could say that Marley ate 3/8 of the pizza. That'd be a good way of saying it. You could change that fraction to a decimal and say it in decimal form. Marley ate 375 thousandths of the pizza. That's not a very good way of saying it. Most people wouldn't say it that way. Another good way of saying it, though, would be Marley ate 37.5% of the pizza, or if you round it to the hundreds place, you would say Marley ate 38% of the pizza. Again, if you take this, if you round it, that would be make this an 8 and move the decimal 2 places to the right. That's how I got this. Or you can leave it go and just move the decimal here and put a percentage sign. That's how I got this, okay? Dawson filled 5 slots of an ice cube tray. You could say that he filled 5/16 of the ice cube tray. You can say it in decimal form. Dawson filled 312 thousandths of the ice cube tray. Or you could say that he filled 31.2%, or if you rounded, 31% of the ice cube tray. This is a good way of saying it in fraction form, 5/16, and this is a good way of saying it. And how do you get these percentages? Well, you just move the decimal, or round, then move the decimal, and add a percentage sign. Rusty exercised 17 days in April. There are the days that he exercised. You could say that in fraction form, which would be kind of difficult. You could change that fraction to a decimal and say it in decimal form. Or you could say it the best way in this case, say it in percentages. Rusty exercised 56.6% of the month, or if you round it, 57% of the month of April. Again, round it, making it 57, move the decimal. You don't need a decimal there. And so get rid of it then and put a percentage sign. Or you could not round it at all and just put the decimal there and add a percentage sign. Okay. Tessa did homework for a total of 55 minutes. She spent 37 minutes of that time doing math. Tessa did math that fraction, which again, I wouldn't say it like that. You could change that fraction to a decimal and say it in terms of percentages, okay? So I take my fraction, turn it into a decimal. That's what I did here. And then I move my decimal here, okay, and put a percentage sign. That's how I got this one. Or if you want to round it, underline the 7, draw an arrow there. That is not 5 or higher, so keep the 7 the same. Move the decimal here, which you don't need. You can replace that decimal with a percentage sign, and that's how I got this right here. Okay? So cute. All right, so this is what we're going to be doing coming up this week. So good luck. If you have any questions, give me a call.